January and February are absolutely the best months to prune trees and shrubs or plant trees and shrubs. The nice thing about pruning is we don't have to worry about oak wilt diseases or things like that being spread because the spores are dead. One thing about it is check the tree that you're getting ready to prune and see if you ought not to prune it to the ground. You'll notice this one's got a split in it, got some limbs that can easily be broken off in high winds or heavy ice. And so we're going to actually take this tree down. And I would also encourage you, if you're, when you are pruning, get professionals to do it, because we found out that paying a professional is a lot cheaper than paying the hospital. You come out a lot better off if you let them do your cuts for you rather than somebody healing your broken bones to back together again. Remember, cut the limbs and branches back to the next largest branch. Do not hedge them off, and prune your trees now, January, February, and they'll be healthy and look good for you all spring long. This is Jerry Parsons with the Texas Agriculture Extension Service, the Weekend Garden. Do not